Hi guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you all the features that Snapchat has in full detail. So let's go ahead and get started right into the video. So all you want to do is head over to Snapchat. And then when you go over here, you can select Snapchat Plus. And it will show you all the features that it will have. So it will have Ghost Trails, Best Friends Forever, Story Rewatch, custom apps and icons, Snapchat Plus badge, and a couple more things, but we'll go over full detail on each one. So we'll go and get started with Ghost Trails. So with Ghost Trails, as a Snapchat Plus subscriber, you can see your friends who have been in the last 24 hours with Ghost Trails. You'll only see Ghost Trails for friends on the map if they're making their location visible to you. This also only works if they have Snapchat Plus in their country. You can clear your own ghost trail by toggling ghost mode on, then off in your Snap Map settings. So then the second option is Best Friends Forever. So what this does is that as a subscriber for Snapchat Plus, you can pin your BFF as your number one best friend with Best Friends Forever. Only you can view this pin. So from chat or the send to screen, press and hold on your friend, then tap on pin as your number one best friend if you have this. So the next option is Story Rewatch Indicator. So what this does is that you'll see the little eye emoji under stories that one or more friends have rewatched your stories more than just one time. You can see how many friends rewatch snaps that you post to your story, private stories, or shared stories. To see if anyone has rewatched a story you've posted, just tap on it and swipe up. To turn the rewatch indicator on and off, you just need to go to your profile, tap on your Snapchat Plus membership card at the top, and then toggle the story rewatch count. But you need to make sure that when you see the eye emoji, count on how many friends have rewatched your story, not the total number of times it has been rewatched. So then the next option is custom app icons or themes. So what this does is that you can choose a unique appearance for your Snapchat app icon on your home screen. So all you need to do to change this is to go to your profile, tap on your Snapchat Plus membership card at the top, select app icon, and then you can choose many of these different options. It shows you a couple right here, but I mean, there's pretty cool options. And then so the next thing they have is a Snapchat Plus badge. What this does is that you can add some flair to your display name with a black star badge. This lets your friends know that you're a Snapchat Plus subscriber. This badge is off by default, but here's how to make it appear next on your display name. All you need to do is go to your profile, tap on your Snapchat Plus membership card, and then toggle on the badge. The next feature I'll be showing you is the Friend Solar System. So what this is that you'll see a best friends or friends badge with a gold ring around it on someone's friendship profile. Best friends means that one of you each other 8 closest friends, and friends mean that you're one of the 8 closest friends, but they're not one of yours. So in order to view the Friends Solar Systems, both you and your friend must have a linked Bitmoji. Tapping on the badge will show you which planet you are in the solar system, with each planet representing a different position on their best friends list. So, for example, if your friend is the sun and you're the earth in the solar system, that means you're the 3rd closest friend. So, the next feature I'll be showing you is the priority story replies. So what this does is that your replies to community stories will have a better chance of being seen and responded to. When you reply to public stories, when the creator has the ability to respond, you'll see a gold ring around the cell where you type your reply. Your reply will be prioritized higher on the creator's list of story replies. So as a creator, you'll see replies from Snapchat Plus subscribers prioritized above other story replies. The next feature I'll be showing you is the post views emojis. So what this does is you can select an emoji that will be shown to your friends next time your name after viewing a snap you've sent to them. To select or disable this, you should go to your profile, click on the membership card, click post view emoji, and then select the emoji or disable the emoji that you want. The next feature I'll be showing you, and the final one, is the Bitmoji backgrounds. So what this does is that you can choose from exclusive backgrounds from your Bitmoji that you can show off in your profile. In order to change your Bitmoji background, all you need to do is select on your profile, tap the background icon in your 3D Bitmoji header, then choose a certain background that it will give you. There's many different ones. This just shows a couple backgrounds that you can change it to. But I mean, they look pretty neat. So if you do actually want to have a subscription of Snapchat Plus, you just need to select either the 1 month or the full year. So it's 16% off for the 12 months. But if you want to go and get started, go and select the 7-day free trial at the bottom of the screen. Once you've selected that, you'll get 7 days of free. And then once those 7 days are up, you'll then have to start paying monthly for your subscription. So I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I just want to say thank you for watching to the very end, and I will see you later.